Hey everybody, Chris Barron here. Thanks for switching over to Mode Go. I think I have my, I think I got all that fixed. We'll see. Anyways, Super Formula Lights, Road Atlanta, once again, repping that hometown ATL Ho Coca-Cola livery. Looking friggin' sweet if I do say so myself. Number 11 car qualified P9. I feel pretty good around this course, minus 2 turns. I don't know if you watched my last video. It didn't start out very well.
The estimated SOF is...
Sorry, just got a text about a wedding I'm going to this weekend. Hey, we got a Sauber car. Hopefully they don't have to pit. I went there. Oh yeah, new steering wheel. Check that out. Let me tell you what I got. Hold up. New to me, Clubsport F1 Esports Volume 2. Feels great with this car. Yeah, I'm a fan. I'm a fan so far. Buy used, unless you got the money. I buy used. I'll be happy with a top 10 finish. How many, I don't even think I can see how many cars we have in here now. I don't know how to check if I can. At least 23, at least 24. Be happy top 10. Be happy finish the race without an accident, really. All right. Come on.
Green flag. Left side. Still there. On the right.
Whoa!
On your left. Clear.
Alright, well we made it through the beginning. That was crazy.
Unfortunate. So many dumb people before turn 1.
There you go, you heard it. These cars warm up a little bit. Some people didn't even make it to turn 1. Sucks for them. Of course, it's that turn, which is probably the most important turn on the track. It's my one of 2 turns I just do not feel comfortable with.
Left side. Clear.
Just stabbing it in there. Hey, let's just activate his spotter, just so he doesn't take it as quick. I'm gonna back off either way. Now this turn 1 to the S's is a lot of fun. Now that I've got it down, I let off the gas, shift to turn 5, back on the gas, aim for the tree, turn left, brake, 4th, turn, it'll grip, and then I'm staying in 4th. And I love these turns, but this left up here is what gets me. I lose a lot of time there. I know it. That's what I'm always scared of doing. I gain a place, but I'm also going to lose a place.
Still there.
Had to slow it down for him. Oh, misjudged that. I do that sometimes. Whoops. get it together. We got more cars coming up.
You got a slow car on the left. You got a slow car on the left.
Yep, losing time. I was doing pretty good on that turn. I guess it's turn 9, unless I should know. I was doing pretty good on that turn until I got to the race. Oh my god! I just got double passed. But we're surviving, baby. Just gonna avoid him. It's another spot back. I'd love to make a pass. Like a real pass, you know? We'll see. Don't count me out just yet. Still losing time there, but I'm getting better at that turn. I thought I just saw a dog behind me. I'll have to do a tear off. I thought I missed that turn. Can't hear you, Owen. Cars behind me are pulling on me just because I keep losing time. I'm 2 seconds off my normal pace, my hot lapping pace. Maybe I should keep it in 5th here. Woo! Flying.
Nice move.
Hey, I'm sorry about that. I don't know what
Got
happened.
someone right behind me again. Yep. Back on 10th. Shoot, man. I mean, that was a really bad one, but dang.
Clear on the left, left side. Clear, leader is running. 14.008. Car on your left.
Come on, man.
No!
Optional repairs are 6 minutes,
Fuck.
39 seconds. We can repair most of the damage. You'll still have minor wheel damage.
Man, we were doing pretty well. I'm going to get better at this car. I want to get better at this car. I just know that takes time. And really, I just, you know, 1 week, if it's a good course, especially one I know or something, maybe I don't know, and I just over and over and over again. Don't care about safety. Don't care about iRating. Don't care about none of that. Ooh, excuse me. We were doing good. We were doing good. I'm wearing this shirt all day. Don't look at those armpits. I just jumped over turn 3. Man. But I mean, I'm definitely running quicker than these guys. That was a pretty bad accident, though. Yeah, my car is not looking so good. I'll admit, I was following the guy in front of me, and
Dude, what was that?
yep. I mean, that's the race. I'm not going to make you guys sit here for another 6 minutes. They just turned the car off. So, I'll finish this race out, probably towards the back. You know, to watch somebody progress in Super Formula Light, as well as some other stuff that I'm pretty better at. I'm more competitive at. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.